Tracy here with VainSoftGames. Thanks for joining us. Today we are going to be checking out an NVIDIA Broadcasting App to see, does it live up to its hype? Woot woot! First, we will test to see how good the noise removal is. You can easily test this out by selecting the microphone you are using under Microphone Source. When you start using this app, a new microphone will appear in Zoom, Skype, OBS, titled NVIDIA Broadcast. I'm currently recording through that facing my mic, and you can hear it's pretty noisy.
Alrighty, so now we're going to test out the camera features, and we're still in beta. And as you can see, you can replace the background. Hey, look, there's me. All right, let's see what else we can do. All right, so there's background blur, as you can tell. It's all blurry, but you can adjust it a tad bit if you'd like. You know, it's good for days where your background's maybe a little messy and you don't have time to clean up. All right, and then they also have background removal. Ooh. So this is good for, say, a green screen. And then auto frame. So it's supposed to follow you. Hey. Oh, and you can change the zoom. That's cool. Oh, so that's not going to do as much because, oh, yeah. Wait, I want to try zooming all the way. Ah! All right, so you can zoom. See? I like this one the best. It's so fun. And let's see, anything else? Nope, that's it. There you have it.
Sound removal. Ho ho. They need to go back, work on it a little more, and then bring it back right to us. Because I love the concept, it's a great one. It would be cool if you could even, I don't know, solidify what type of sound you're removing. That might help. I did like the camera app. I enjoyed most whenever I would move and the frame would follow me. That was really cool. Thank you for watching. This has been Tracy with VainSoftGames. If you like what you saw, you can like or leave a comment. Would you like to help support our channel? You can do so by heading over to our Patreon. And don't forget to subscribe and click that bell.